Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, this video tutorial is to show you how you can create your digital image in Creative Fabrica Spark and then download that image and then remove it so that others no longer have access to that particular image. Okay, so that's been one of the common questions that I've been getting is how can I keep other people from using my images? Okay, I'm going to show you here. When you go to Creative Fabrica Spark, and let's just say I go to community. If I see images out here that I really like, so I'm just going to scroll through here. And let's just say, oh, I really love this image. I can click on that image. And when I click on that image, I can download it right to my computer. Okay, all I have to do is extract it and extract. Okay. Now, when I go into my downloads, let's just take a minute. Okay, let me just make sure I clicked on download. I know I did. Maybe it's just taking a minute. I'm going to give it a minute. But long story short is someone can go in and they can download your image and start using it just like you're using it. Or they can right click it and save image as. And I'm going to save it to my desktop and save. And now I can, let's say, bring up Microsoft PowerPoint and insert that picture. As if it was my own. Okay. So if you don't want people to have access to be able to download your images and use them, then what you can do is when you are in, let me get back to my page. All right, so what you can do is when you are in your Creative Fabrica, you have Spark, you've downloaded your images. So I'm going to go back to my work here. These are my creations. So these are images that I have generated, okay? What I can do is I can go into my particular work, and I'm just going to use this one because it's not a big one that I'm, in love with. So I'm going to click on this one. This is the image that I generated, okay? So I can click on download just like anyone else can of my images. I can download it, and once I download it, I'm going to extract it. I'm going to click the file, extract all, and then I'm just going to click on extract, but you can choose where you want to save it to. Once you extract it and save it to your computer, then you can go back to your image and you can click remove this listing. Yes, remove my creation. That image will no longer be a part of my creations for other people to see. And it'll take a minute, but it will go away. Okay, so no one else will be able to see this particular image any longer. So you see when I click on it, it says, oops, that page can't be found. Okay, so no one will have access to that image any longer once you remove it from your listing. Now, you won't even have access to it. As you can see, it is gone. It's gone from Creative Fabrica, but I now have it saved to my computer. So that is one way that when you create your image in Creative Fabrica Spark and you fall in love with it, you want to use it in your own store or shop online or what have you, and you don't want others to be able to utilize that image, that is how you can go in, download the image, go ahead and extract it, save it to your computer, and then go back into Creative Fabrica Spark, manage your listing, and remove that image. When you remove it, it will no longer show up here for everybody to see it. Now, some people may say, well, can't I just go to create and from here, save image as? Yeah, you could do the same thing. You could save the image directly from here without even publishing it. So now if I click on save, I never published it to my creations. And there's the image right there. Okay. So you don't even have to publish it. Okay. And it's still going to work and print on demand perfectly, or Photor or the Face app, any of those apps that I've shown you, it's going to work perfectly. Okay. So you don't have to worry about the sizing from here. Because you'll be able to. So like I just took that image, I'm going to go to my, and I may already have it up, but just in case, I can go to my Printify and I'm just going to show you. And I can take that image and do the same thing that I've shown you in the previous videos. So we're going to say a phone case. I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to design my device. I'm going to go right to that image. And I'm going to say, and you can play around with these guys, but I'm just going to click on this fill to placeholder, and it's going to put the majority of the image right inside of it. You can preview it to take a look at it. Now, of course, that's not an image that I would use, but there you go. All right. So just wanted to bring that to your attention because I'm getting a lot of people to ask that question, but that is how you can save those images to your computer and then remove them from your listing so that others can't see them. You don't have to worry about you not being able to see them any longer on Creative Fabrica Spark because you will have saved them to your computer. Okay. All right, so I hope that answers your questions about that. If not, chime in the comments. If you guys are currently following me via Facebook and my group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, thank you guys so much for the love and support via my Facebook group. If you are following me via YouTube or subscribe to my YouTube channel, thank you guys so much for the love and support that you show me via YouTube. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Come on, guys, you can help me do it. 10,000. That's my Christmas gift to myself. Okay. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And another gift of giving is just to tell others about my YouTube channel. Okay. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And you know, my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. I'm here for you guys. I really am. Bye.